and welcome to another episode, Hooked on Living. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I install DIY spotlights and how to operate them. The tools and materials required for this job. So we purchased the floodlight from local hardware shop Bunnings. Some toggle brackets, and then some tools we need. Drill with a 10mm drill bit, as explained on the toggle bracket. Phillips head screwdriver, and this is just a scribe for marking the holes up on the eaves where the light's going to go. Okay, now we're going to show you the unboxing of the lights, what you get. There's the light fitting itself. You get a couple of globes, get some washers because it's waterproof. You get some fittings, but we won't use those today. We're going to use the brackets we purchased here, and you get a manual. So first thing to do, position your step ladder, make sure the light's switched off, remove the globe and this little button. Next we remove these screws from your light fitting. That will then allow us to get to the mounting holes. Open that apart, and there's two mounting holes. Make sure you don't plug that in while this is apart for safety reasons. There's also these two little brackets on the side that you can use, but I choose to use these two holes. Okay, so you can read on here, it says the top. That is to face your fascias, like so. So it'll be mounted like that. So we've unscrewed them earlier. We'll get our scriber. Now I want to mount it in front of the original light, like so, and then we will use our scriber and we'll just make a mark on where to drill our holes. Like so. Get your 10mm drill bit and your cordless drill and drill a hole. Like so. Sit your screw in the hole, and then you screw that on. Now before we put that up, there's too much excess cord, so I'm just gonna lose a bit of that, weave it around a bit. And it ends up at the back like so. Make sure we got it around the right way. Stick our toggle brackets through the holes. Make sure your cord's all tucked away nice. And then you can do up your brackets. And then we'll put the casing back on. tighten those brackets too much, it puts this out of shape. Okay. Now we can adjust the direction of our globes. We'll start one about there and one about there. Using the little screws on the side, you can adjust up and down. With a bit of pressure you can spin them. Same with your sensor. Try that about there. You can move it again later. Now add the washers, weather seals, probably a better name. Next, screw in the globes. And now we'll plug it into the socket, like so. Might just adjust that one a bit. Out there. Happy with that one. Now we'll turn it on and see how she goes. At the bottom here you can see there's 3 adjustments, so you can adjust how sensitive you want the sensor, how long you want the light on. It's mainly just play and see how you go. It'll be set to night, but I'll set it to day just while we check how everything works. We'll turn the switch on and see if it works. Excellent. So now you can just play around with the settings underneath, change your directions. We'll wait till night time and get it fully set up. But it's currently on day mode. The timing, I'll just adjust the time so it's not on very long. It should switch off. There it goes. And now it's gone back on, so the sensor's already picked me up from being right here. So I might just move away a bit. Should switch off fairly quick. There it goes. So we won't move. Now we'll make some movement and she's on. And then you can just play around with the adjustment. The other option to use it as a normal light, you can, while it's on sensor now, you can turn the power point off and in 3 seconds quickly turn it back on, and it will stay on.